Hello, my name is Vukashin. My family is my mom, my dad, my sister and uncle. My favorite sport are football and handball. My school is the first primary school. My home is in Kolubara in Valjevo. My friends are Nenad, Lazar and Luka.
Hello, I am Nenad. I live with my sister, mom and dad. I live in Valjevo in street Donja Grabovica. I go to school Desanka Maksimović. My friends are Luka, Vukashin, Miško, Aleksa, Mina and Srećko. I love football and basketball. Any questions?
What is color of your bedroom?
Purple and blue.
And yellow. What is your favorite club?
My favorite club? I don't know. Maybe Red Star.
You? It's Barcelona. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport? I said that it was football and basketball.
Football and handball.
That's it.